save this work. Once we are done setting the page, we don't need to reset a new page. Yes, it is not necessary that we'll start again to set a new page, setting the limit and setting the dimensions and all that. So the page you have already set previously can serve for all the works you want to do, unless otherwise you choose to set a fresh page. So how do we set this page so that next time we can access them and continue whatever we want to draw in the same page? How do we save them? Now look at these icons. This is the new icon, open icon, save icon. So you can click on this, save, or you click the function key, that is Ctrl S. Click, hold your Ctrl key, then press S button, or you come here and click on this particular icon. So click on it. Good. It's brought out this dialog asking you, where do you want to save your work? Do you want to save it on your desktop? Do you want to save it on your document desktop? Where precisely inside your desktop do you want to save it? Do you have any folder you want to save it there? So okay, let us see. The desktop is in front of your PC. Is in front of your PC. So the document is in your document file or folder. So assuming you want to save it inside the document so that you can go there and access it, or in front of your PC so that you can go there and access it in front of your laptop, maybe here, you can actually create a folder for it. Come here, this blank space here, you can right click, here and select new and trace your mouse to folder, or you click directly to this folder having a plus sign. It will automatically create a folder there. So whichever one, clicking here directly or right clicking, going over to folder, whichever one. So but I think this one is a little bit easier. Click on this, it will create a folder. So you can name the folder my drawings. Good. So my drawings, this is the folder name, not the AutoCAD file drawing name. This is just the folder name. Here you see that work you've done, you've saved. So now come to this, click here and rename this if you want. Drawing interface. Drawing interface. Good. So then once you've renamed there, open the folder you created, my drawings. Open it so that once you click on save, it will save inside that my drawing folder you created in front of your PC, that is in your desktop, right? So you can then click on save. This is file type. How do you want to save it? You want to save it in AutoCAD 2018, that is a higher version than 27 and all that. DSF file and all that, will come to this later. So but for now, is an AutoCAD version 2027 version, the lowest version, so that anybody can open it. can access it. So you click on save. Good. So you can then close this work. Nice. So you look for the folder that you created. Look for the folder. This is the folder, my drawing. So once you double click on it, open it, you see that drawing interface. And when you open it by double clicking on it down, you no longer need to go to AutoCAD app to open that file. So come straight to the AutoCAD file where you saved it and open it to continue your work from where you stop. So stay tuned and practice as this video has been considered, and wait for the next video. Thank you.